Timer cleared. Gear up.
Yeah, especially when it's coming at you.
What size battery are you running in there, Ray?
4,000.
Flaps. Landing flaps. Gear down.
How many minutes?
If I fly doing touch and goes, I've flown it as long as 8.
Flaps up. Gear up.
It's got a little bit of power.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Oh wow, look at the clouds.
Really happy about this backlit screen right about now.
What?
I like the backlit screen right about now. Make that, Daddy. Tell me exactly have to go like, which play?
Was that 18 or 9?
9.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Then I realized I didn't need 18 channels. The 9 was a couple $100 cheaper.
Yeah.
The gain benefit was not.
Funny how much the red shines more than the green. So, Ray, you're using the lights for orientation?
I can see the plane okay, but if worse comes to worse, yeah, I can.
Strangely, it is more seeable with this light. It's crazy.
And that the light in the nose helps a lot.
There's some weird lighting though right now.
Yeah.
I don't fly with no light.
It's just weird. I haven't done many approaches from this angle, so from this direction. So I'm not used to them this way.
Flaps up. Gear up. Time remaining 36 seconds.
All right, let's finish up this battery.
30 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Is that you?
Yep,
5,
I like the sound.
3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Get the flat wheels out.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Bringing it in?
I am done for the day.
Dark out.
I've flown in darker. My F-15, I've flown it with pitch black.
We gotta get some planes with lights on them.
I have one.
I gotta get some lights for the Cub.
I have a Cessna covered in lights.
Why don't you bring it out ever?
Because it takes up room for other stuff I want to fly.
Flaps up.
Flying jets in the dark.
So much fun!
So much fun. Alright, here, you wanna?
Let me get it back here first.
It's about to be fun flying this guy with 0 lights.
It's cool. Oh, you're going to have fun.
I'm just trying to burn the battery. I just don't want the battery sit fully charged. So I'm only gonna fly for about 2 or 3. I'm only gonna fly for like 2 minutes.
Alright, guys.
Yeah.
See you later. Good flying with you.
You don't want to